Hello students, we are doing chapter number 5 playing with numbers and today we will start exercise 5.3. In this exercise you will get question based on the divisibility rules. So first question we have, which of the following number are divisible by 5? So to check a number is divisible by 5 or 10, we have to see the last digit. If the last digit is 5 or 0, so we can say this number is divisible by 5, and if the last digit is 0, then it is divisible by only with 10. So we have to check here only the last digit and say yes or no. So first number 87035, as you can see last digit is 5, so we can say yes, it is divisible by 5. You can write reason because the last digit is 5. Then you can see here last digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 10, it is divisible by only 5. No, it's not divisible by 10 because last digit is not 0. Second number 75060, so because last digit is 0, so it will divisible by 5. And it is divisible by 10 also. Third number we have 9685. So because last digit is 5, so it will divisible by 5, but it will not divisible by 10. So it is divisible by 5. And it is not divisible by 10. Fourth number 10730, because last digit is 0, so it will divisible by 5 also and 10 also. Second question we have, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 4 and 8? So to check divisibility of 2, we have to see the last digit. If it is a even number means last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then this number will be divisible by 2. To check the divisibility of 4, we have to see the last 2 digit. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the whole number will divisible by 4. And for 8 we have to see the last 3 digit. Check last 3 digit. If it is divisible by 8, then the total number will be divisible by 8. So first number we have 67894, because last digit is even, so we can write it is divisible by 2. Second we will check divisibility by 4. So last 2 digit 94. 94 we will check whether 94 is divisible by 4 or not. So if you divide 94 by 4, then we'll get 4 to 8 and then 14, 4, 3, 12. It is not completely divisible by 4, so we can say it is not divisible by 4. Then for 8 we have to check last 3 digit 894. Same way we have to check with 8 also. So 818 and then again 818 and then we'll get here 14. This number, these 3 number also are not divisible by 8. So we will write it is not divisible by 8. Second number 5673244. So you can see last digit is 4, which is a even number, so directly we can write, because last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. Now for check 4, we will check last 2 digit 44. So 44 is divisible by 4, so we can write this whole number also will be divisible by 4. because last two digit is divisible by 4, so this number is divisible by 4. Now we will check last three digit 244. So 244, if we check with 8, 8 3 24 and then 4 is there, we'll put 0 and remainder we are getting here 4. So this number is not completely divisible by 8, some remainder we are getting. So therefore this total number also will not be divisible by 8. So it is not divisible by 8. Third number we have 9685048. So last digit is even, we can write it is divisible by 2. Then last two digit 48. 48 if we divide with 4, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8, it is completely dividing. So it is divisible by 4 also. Then for 8 we will check last three digit 048. So 048 means 48 and in 8 table 48 is coming, 8 6 are 48. So this total number also will be divisible by 8. Next fourth number 6533142, because last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. Then last two digit 42. So 42 is not coming in 4 table, 4 1 ja 4 and then 2 will be the remainder. It will go 10 times and 2 will be the remainder. So it is not divisible by 4. Then for 8 142 we will check 142 if we divide with 8, 818 and then we'll get here 62. 62 is not coming in 8 table, 8 7 ja 56 it will go and then 6 will be the remainder. So it is not divisible by 8 also. Next number 75379. So you can see here last digit is odd, so it is not divisible by 2. And same we can do for 4 and 8 also, because in 4 and 8 table all the number are even number only and this is odd. So this number will not divisible by 4 also and 8 also. Next third question we have, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 or 9? So for 3 and 9 we have the same rule, we have to add all the digits and if the sum is divisible by 3 then it will be divisible by 3, and if the sum is divisible by 9 then it means it will be divisible by 9. So first we will add all the digits here. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 and plus 9. 4 plus 5 9 plus 6 15, then 3 18 and 18 plus 9 27. Now we have to check this 27. We know 27 is coming in 3 table also and 9 table also. So we can say yes, it is divisible by 3. And it is divisible by 9 also. Second number 301248. So we will do the addition of all the digits. 3 plus 1 4, then 6 7 4 5 6 and then 10 and 18. 18 is coming in 3 tables, so we can write it is divisible by 3. and 18 is coming in 9 table also, so it is divisible by 9 also. Third number 567081, so we will add 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 0 plus 8 plus 1, and after addition we will get 27. So 27 is coming in 3 table also, 9 table also, so it means this number is divisible by 3 also and 9 also. Fourth part 345903, so we will add all the digits. Answer is coming 24 and 24 is coming in 8 table, so we can write it is divisible by 3, and we know 24 is not coming in 9 table, so it means it is not divisible by 9. Fifth question, fifth part, we have 345046, so after adding all the digits we are getting 22, and 22 is not coming in 3 table also and 9 table also. It means this number is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 9 also. Next we have question number 4, which of the following numbers are divisible by 11? So for 11 we have two methods. One method is that we have to add the all digits of even places and odd places. So place we have to start from here. This is first place, second place, third place, fourth place and fifth place. Always from the right side we have to start. So first we have to add all the odd places. 1, 3 and 5 means 5, 8 and 1. 5 plus 8 plus 1, which is equal to 14. And then even places means 2 and 4. 3 plus 0, which is equal to 3. Now we have to take difference between these two. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. If this number we are getting 0 or any multiple of 11, then it means it is divisible by 11. So we can write, therefore it is divisible by 11. Second method, this is the first method we have. One more method is there, you can follow anyone. According to the second method, we have to take the two digits from the last, means 35, these two, then these two, and then 35, and then we have 0, 8, and then we have 1. So 1 we will write 0, 1, and we will add it. 5 plus 8 13 and plus 1 14, 1 carry over, then 3 plus 1 4, and if this sum is coming multiple of 11, it means it is divisible by 11. So because we are getting here this sum is 44, therefore it is divisible by 11. Any one method you can follow in exam. Second part 380237. So first we will add the odd places digits 7, 2 and 8, which is equal to 17. Then even places 3, 0 and 3, which is equal to 6, and then we will take the difference 17 minus 6, which is coming equal to 11. So it means it is divisible by 11. Third part 504670. So first odd places means this, this and this. 0 plus 7, 0 plus 6 plus 0, which is equal to 6, and even places 7 plus 4 plus 5. 7 plus 4 is 11 and 11 plus 6 is 16. 11 plus 5 is 16. Now we will take the difference 16 minus 6, which is equal to 10, and 10 is not coming in 11 table. So therefore it is not divisible by 11. Fourth part we have 28248. So first odd places 8, 2 and 2, which is equal to 12, and even places 4 and 8, which is also equal to 12. So 12 minus 12 is coming 0, and we know 0 is divisible by all the numbers. So therefore it is divisible by 11. Next we have question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? So to check the divisibility of 6, we have to check whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3 or not. So for both 2 and 3 we have to check. For 2 we have to see the last digit, and for 3 we have to see the sum of digits. So here this last digit is even, so we can write, because last digit is even, therefore it is divisible by 2. Now we will do the sum of these digits. 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. So 6 plus 4, 10, 11 and 15. So 15 is coming in 3 table. So we can say therefore it is divisible by 3 also. So we can write therefore it is divisible by 6. Second part, we have 213888. So first we will see the last digit, because last digit is even, so we can say it is divisible by 2. Then we will take the sum of all digits, which is equal to 30, and 30 is coming in 3 table, so it is divisible by 3 also. So we can say this number is divisible by 6 also. Then we'll check for third part, 469876, last digit is even, it means it is divisible by 2, and the sum of all digit is coming 40, which is not coming in 3 tables, so it means it is not divisible by 3. So if any one condition is coming no, it means this number is not divisible by 6. Next question number 6, first part, 34x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit. What is the value of x? So for divisibility of 3 we have to check the sum of digit, it should be divisible by 3. So we will add all these digits, 3 plus 4 plus x, and it should come multiple of 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and plus x. It should come more multiple of 3. It means the possible values will be after 7, the next multiple of 3 will be 9 or 12 or 15 or 18, so on. All these are the multiple of 3. So if you take this first one, then x is equal to, if 7 plus x is equal to 9, then x value we will get 9 minus 7 means 2. And if you take 7 plus x is equal to 12, in that case x value will be 12 minus 7 equal to 5. And if you take 7 plus x is equal to 15, then x value will be 15 minus 7, which is equal to 8. And if next one we will take 7 plus x is equal to 18, in that case x value will be 18 minus 7, which is equal to 11. But here they have given x is a digit, so digit means only these answers are applicable. This 11 is not a digit, here 2 digit number, this is 2 digits are there, so this is not applicable. So possible values of x will be 2, 5 and 8. Therefore x possible values are 2, 5 and 8. Next question number 6, the second part, if 74x5284 is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, find the value of x. So here we will check the divisibility of 3. For that we have to add all the digits and check this sum should come in 3 table. So after adding all the digits we are getting 30 plus x. This 30 plus x should come in 3 table. So possible values will be 30, 33, 36, 39. After 30 we will see 30, or after 30 we will check what all values are coming in 3 table. So now first we will check if 30 plus x is equal to 30, in that case x value will be 0. If we take 30 plus x is equal to 33, in that case x value will be 3. If we take 30 plus x is equal to 36, then x value will be 36 minus 30 equal to 6. Similarly, next value we will take, if 30 plus x is equal to 39, then x value will be 39 minus 30 equal to 9. And if we take the next value 30 plus x, next multiple of 3 in this is 42. If we take 42, in that case x will be 42 minus 30, which will come 12. And here we need only a digit, not 2-digit number. So this is not applicable. Till here only are the possible values. So therefore possible values of x will be 0, 3, 6 and 9. Next question number 7. If 4 to z3 is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? So here we will check the divisibility of 9. 9 also same rule, we have to add all the digits and this sum should come in 9 table. So first we will add 4, 2, z and 3. 4, 2, 6 and plus 3, 9. It will come 9 plus z. So sum is coming 9 plus z and this sum should come in 9 table. So possible value will be 9 plus z. First multiple of 9 is 9, so we can compare it with 9. We can compare it with 18 and so on. So if we compare with 9, if 9 plus z is equal to 9, in that case z value will be 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. And if we compare with the second number, if 9 plus z is equal to 18, in that case z is equal to 18 minus 9, which is equal to 9. Then next multiple is 27, and if we compare with that, 9 plus z is equal to 27, in that case z value will be 27 minus 9 is equal to 18, and here it is a digit. So digit means here 2-digit number will not come, only 0 to 9 we can consider. So this will come under not applicable condition. Therefore the possible values of z will be 0 and 9. Next question number 8. In each of the following replace star by a digit so that number formed is divisible by 9. This is also similar question like 7th. We have to check the divisibility of 9 here. So for that we will do the sum of all digit and this sum should come in 9 table. So first we will add all these numbers. 4 plus 9 13, plus 2 15, 16 17 and 17 plus 7 24. 24 plus star. Now this should come in 9 table. Therefore the possible values will be we'll check which all numbers are coming in 9 table after 24. So 27 and then next number is 36, then 45 and so on. Now first we'll check with 27. If 24 plus x is equal to 27, in that case x value will be 27 minus 24, which is equal to 3. Now if we compare with the next number, 24 plus x is equal to 36, then x value will be 36 minus 24, which is coming 12, and it is a 2-digit number, so this will not applicable. So now the possible values of x will be 3 only. Star is 3. Next second part, we have to check the possible values of star in this given number 5938 star 628. So for that first we will add all the digits. Our sum is coming 36 plus star and this sum should come in 9 table. So we will compare it with the multiple of 9, which is equal to 36 equal to this or after this. So 36 plus x we can compare with 36, then 45 and then 54. So if we compare with 36, in that case star value we are getting here 0, and then if we are comparing with 36 plus x with 45, then this we are getting 9. and when we will compare with the next number, then we will get 18, which is not applicable. So the possible values of star is here 0 and 9. Next, question number 9. In each of the following, replace star by a digit so that the number form is divisible by 6. So to check the divisibility of 6, we have to check divisibility of 2 and 3. So 2 we can check with the last digit. If this unit place is even, it means it is divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 2 because last digit is 2 here. Then next, divisibility of 3 we will check with the sum of all the digits. So we will add all these and it should come in the 3 table. So after adding, we are getting 27 plus star, and this should come in 3 table. So possible values will be 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on. Now we will compare one by one. So if you take first value 27 plus star is 27, then star value we will get 0. If we will take next number 30, in that case star value we will get 3. If we take 33, then we will get 6, and if we are taking 36, in that case we are getting 9. After 36, next number is 39, and if we take that one, then we will get the 12, and we need here only the one digit number. So 0, 3, 6 and 9 are the possible values of star. Second part of question number 9. Now we have to check the divisibility of 6 for this number. Because the last digit is even, so it will divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility of 3. So for 3 we have to add all the digits. We are getting 29 plus star, and this 29 plus star should come in 3 tables. So possible values will be 30, 33, 36 and 39 and so on. One by one we will check all these values. If we take 30, 29 plus star is 30, then we are getting star value 1. Then if we are taking 33, in that case star value we are getting 4, and if we are taking 36, in that case star value we are getting 7. For 39, this value we are getting 10, which is not applicable. So we will stop here. So possible values of star will be 1, 4 and 7. Next, question number 10. In each of the following, replace star by a digit so that the number form is divisible by 11. So first it is given 6, 4 star 2, 4, 5, 6. Divisibility of 11 is we have to sum the digit of at odd places and sum the digit of even places, and then we have to take the difference, and this difference should come in 11 table. So here odd places means from right side we have to start first place, third place, fifth place and seventh place. So 6, 4 star 6, which we are getting 16 plus star. Same, we will take the even places digit 5, 2 and 4, which we are getting 11. Now we will find out the difference between these two. 16 plus star then minus 11, which is equal to 5 plus star, and this should come in 11 table. So therefore possible values of 5 plus star is equal to 11, 22, 33 and so on. So we will compare one by one. If 5 plus star is equal to 11, in that case star value will be 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. If we compare with the second number, 5 plus star is equal to 22, then star value we are getting here 22 minus 5, which is equal to 17. So this is a 2-digit number, so this will not applicable. So possible value of star will be 6. Next, second part of 10th question, 8, 6 star 6, 1, 9, 4. We have to check here divisibility of 11. For that, first we will take the sum of digits at the odd places, sum of digit at the even places. Odd places sum we are getting 13 plus star, and even places sum we are getting 21. Now we will take the difference between these two. 13 plus star minus 21, we are getting star minus 8. So the possible values of star minus 8 is 0, 11, 22 and so on. In previous question I have not taken 0, because here if I take 0, in that case star value I will get minus 5. So minus values also we should not take. Here because I have star minus 8 and I will start from 0. So star minus 8 is equal to 0. In that case star value we are getting 8, and if we compare with the next number 11, then star value we are getting 19, which is not applicable. So the possible values of star will be 8. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.